Anna, if I again happen, Anna. How quaint German for? I sorry. Who been in the game free baby but problem get over who was it him what? Who didn't see a child yet? But Janet, oh, think fast. And quiet, dear said, you watch a bit a benam some you ready. Because the Okabe you cross a bit here with your mother.
Matty.
How fun is that rapture? Andy, the dial, and I'm triumphant. More him. So what of Bonsanas wish me a sign, cause Bonsanan wish ya. I dear said be a mere pello, I'm fano. Interesting with the as a wolf a crabby. I dear say, get us up him to know, none can be there to me say via a community and a herman theatre, was ya wolf a cranky. We be a kick and a kick. You did them today, dear Chitty, me what? I send me me get to the between intragana item and pemmy. Me qua, no baha. Me create confusion kwa afi be wiase na gambia gufu anya homtie no deko o mu ngwa nkeye
The party's gonna be over soon, baby, what's up? But I did so bring inside, yeah. Put it back, let's go paradiso. NGNE for the disco. Inside Amsterdam, we go to a factory and light up the place. Girl, you gonna know. But I did so bring inside, yeah. Put it back, let's go paradiso. NGNE for the disco. Inside Amsterdam, we go to a factory and light up the place. Girl, you gonna know.
And come on, only the day you dinano. I overheard everything. Partey, me di me too for senior. So pa, asina the day you can inti no. Ne wiasma ye we. Twedi ampon yankopon okwan ya ofa so hire nipa dasani bia. Adwuma mo won Partey. Monthly salary ayesen. Partey, o monthly salary ayesen yankopon yi obi ama amra bebo obraba o sai nioma. Into kinka Proverbs chapter 10 verse 12. Bible say otawo ehunya ntokwa. No do ye katam fun so nyina so. John chapter 3 verse number 16. Bible say no Nyankopon do wiase ni because of odonti obi de ne doba emman ewu ma wiase nyina. Ti because of odonti gen obetime bibia ma wo. Partey, I na won consider sa no ma no.
Waka. Asem na oso kan ewum. But the thing say enkomo Dede so frame me oni mi di no. Eno so hia sebi enya sasem. Girl no one ne boy ne ba ha. Ena problem kakra de esi wo montem. Ena wapam boy no. Eno nche say onfamento no so. Ena one thing is that adwuma mu ya na wo no. Aketuanse de city bia no. Epene sa
eno talking kan trust my Bible say papa ne boni bi no ebesi wo soro ne asase ase atwedi ampon Nyankopon hu hwe. Ewiase ba bi sai no na ba bi yeye. Oni ge ni nya problem ni Nyankopon de be so to so hawa ma wo.
Bible say e wade ni na wo nya ni na so na fata.
Ade we de fata wo.
Ti waka obi mpena de meslow.
Me pa cho me tu fusi nua. Se bi nya kasa tenten. Opa tie na supam na beboa wo.
Enti wo na obi di say ye wo be wo de.
Me de me si me tu fusi nua. Asem na Dede kan entie. Fade me mu barak waka so me ka kire wo.
Enti wo de na nya asem.
Obenya safo we ye buni be.
Nkana asem.
Jay,
I said I'm
babe,
sorry.
what? Sorry for what? Look, you must be sorry for yourself. Look at the embarrassment. Why shouldn't you see out there, Gume? It was my birthday, and you were supposed to be with me. Friends were calling me. My birthday party. You were supposed to be with me, right? You were supposed to be with me.
I know.
So what happened? I tried calling you severally. At first, for after the word to move phone. Just say me for my yes, sir. Who hasn't met Jimmy?
You slapped me.
Look, me name the wall bound of Shawunya Womeho. And even after that, I feed you, I give you money. Then I'll come in from I give you everything, even your clothing.
Babe, you slapped
me. But still, you cheat on me, right? You cheat on me! You know what? Get out of here.
It hasn't gotten to that.
Gotten to what? I said get out! Get out. Get out.
Boss, we are sorry. We are sorry. Nah, boss, are they?
Wait, I'm not in a mood at the moment.
No, boss, please. If you say your problem can be my problem. So at least if you share your problem, maybe I can find a way, or I can tell you something that will solve your problem for you.
All right. See, I really don't know what is wrong with my girlfriend. She's telling me to go away. Like,
go away?
Yeah. I don't know what is wrong with her.
Boss, are you sure? Is it something problem? Is it something problem?
I really don't know. I seriously don't know.
Boss, we said you realize we'll be more bitchy. Adia will get any year, said you all come boss. If you get no, if you nipper the seni and then to twin summer good get no so. Who free who tell you require no? And the nipper was a part that again no. And then we see what again.
Wait. Are you trying to tell me that somebody is feeding her with information or what?
Information at the same time, standing your back.
Who is that? Who is doing that?
Who is doing that? Who is a magic?
No. Just tell me. Please, just tell me.
Are you sure?
Of course. I just want to know who is doing that because I'm in good terms with almost everybody here. So why would somebody want to do that to me?
I will tell you. Because I like you. I really like you. The problem is say it be my own co-worker. My own co-worker, Thomas Partey. Partey the doer.
Is it not the same guy I met at the reception?
He is the guy that you come the first day, me plus him. We talk to you. You go remember?
Oh no, this guy needs...
Boss, oh! Hey, Marie. He's in Meniaji. I put it press a back of Partey, no from Mufia. Uncle Bimpram, and that's all man who come with Bimpram penny that. I dear me Pamania. That's like I want to home for the home for them. Marcelo! No. Problem on one.
All my pretty girls in the club, put your hands in the air. Caribbean girl with a body you for bounce for allergy. Put up on no light test up, it's about to get dirty. Mr. DJ put it for rewind cause I'm feeling already. This song is a band. All my ladies in the club. To my ballets, are you ready? It's already weekend.
Boss, you are welcome.
I don't need your welcome. You know what? I just came to set certain things clear with you. I mean, straight. I've seen you around and, you know, you are doing quite well with what you're doing, you know, cleaning and all that.
Can we sit?
Thank you. I don't want to sit. But such a church rat like you can never stand a chance with me when it comes to competing, you know, on a woman. Like, you stand no chance. But I just want to let this know to you. Stay off my woman. You know what? I've heard all that you're trying to tell her about me, you know, painting me black to her and all that. Actually, I'm a girlfriend. Hey,
me?
What do you come up on?
Boss, me?
In Kwao, skin cramp on. Trust me. Because if for a whole year salary cry, you can't. So please, if you don't want me to make your life a living hell for you, stay off my woman.
Please calm down. Relax. Boss, relax. The thing is that I have nothing to do with your girlfriend.
I know.
I just pay attention to her service.
Just shut up. See, if you don't want me to make your life a living hell for you, stay off my girlfriend.
I have nothing to do with her, boss.
I know that is what you're going to say. Just stay off my girlfriend. And then my band is so soft. My band is so guama. But trust me, the next time I set foot here, you're not going to like me. Just stay off my woman. She's my woman and mine alone.
Just like that. Minini nishi yo. Ah, that one the class asked him to your boss. Ah, just like that. Just came in, say I should stay away from my girlfriend. Ah, I don't. No.
All my pretty girls in the club, put your hands in the air.
Partey.
Frances.
I love your smile.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. You know what? I have always wanted to ask you about your family, like your background. You just wanted to tell me.
Okay. My name is Thomas Dede Partey, as you already know. I'm 22 years of age. My mother's name is Evelyn Asamoah, and my father's name is Derek Afrani Partey. I have 2 siblings. That's all.
And also, like, for education background, like, when you school after school, what happened? You didn't have a Juma
Nice question. Frances, for me working here, I can say it's a long story. I will find time and come to you and explain things more to you, okay? So, sorry to say, let's forget about it. Frances, why are you admiring me?
I like you. I just love everything about you.
Thank you. I like you too.
Partey,
Frances,
do you love me?
of course I do love you.
Do you love me?
Oh yes, of course. I love you.
Let me take a bite. It's just a bite.
Hi. Now, but they said, who would room one?
Oh yeah, no.
That's so. Who is this?
It's left with 1 room there.
But then it's left one room to what there.
Can you just excuse us? Just some few minutes. He will join you, please.
I know.
Please.
But the problem is, if boss come and meet him while the work is not done, he go be sacked.
Frances.
Just some few minutes.
I know, but he go be sacked.
Let me go, please.
Yeah, he go be sacked.
Alright, see you later.
Oh.
Let me go.
Partey.
Oh, let me go.
Who you do not do it? What did Jimmy there? Oh. Frances, so how many times do you want me to say I love you?
See, what problem, Pan is saying? Tell me.
My problem is say I love you, baby. I love you.
But love is not by force, right?
I know it's not by force, but this one is a force. It's a force love. Yeah.
I don't love you. It's Partey I love.
Partey you love?
Yes.
Now who be Partey? If I take you back to Partey family, if I take you back to Partey house,
Dede, I don't love you.
Also to abrone budget be manya mo santas ni ni fie. Ni fie na be ma fa fura wo wo ya anya asem keto. Partey fie history. Partey is a curse sign. Partey family is a curse. The body too is a curse. If you follow Partey, you go be cursed.
It's love na by force na.
Frances,
you know
at least you need to consider I serve you every day. At least consider something, you know. What is your favor? Why?
Favor, but you know what? You're just wasting my time over here, okay?
Oh, Frances.
You know what? Let me leave you.
Frances.
You can have a nice day.
No, Frances, as my make me say we want to see you. I'm talking about love, eh? I'm talking about love. Frances, I give you a Jimiada. Hey, at the bad, you mean in nature. Me ma create me Partey free I say ya came you no kwa na nke kasa na watch them have a nice day what ma betwa wo be say have a nice day say one pictures ma say video wo kwa nke ye wo Baka. Are. Waiting be the problem. Dede in some hamming. Dede in some hamming. Na men come we ase me buy no. Me no kwa na kokon fa so a Dede obo me. Me no mabraba me kwa me waka so me de ba wi ase. Busumo bi e beso on. Bele ba me so more than say me obi mugu. Ah be no if you even never. Mama je papa eji. Me eji adam for je mpuna ji mo eji. Ba waka so for the real talk or for the true talk. Wo bro. Ye ka so bi e chi no bi abusuo mu nya beto waka wo abusuo mu de nya me no kure ni. Adamu fuwa Dede. Ai Dede. Akwa be bre woni wi ase. Dede. Se de mafo fie no mo ka ase ne ye yo mo tutu de won ti bi ntobi o. Because even pay nya me ka won sakwa na pay na sa. How come? Hey. Hi, boss.
Where is the other guy? Partey or whatever he calls himself.
Partey is the top for the working.
It's good I didn't meet him because maybe I'm Hunanka. He wouldn't like it. See, Medika by her first time, and I think this is the second time. As I'm Mediba last time, that is the reason in time I baby. And trust me, I don't want him around my woman. I don't know why he's just trying to pay a deaf ear to what I came to tell him that time. Trust me, come back to now. Make a very different thing.
Me pacho wada ma sebio. Se onpo kwana se wona Partey na trouble a. Oye nipa a mutual understanding. Waka. Se bi wonti me waka. So me say so film me ka say the word in chiro me pacho waka. Just take this every day. Customer is always right. You don't challenge the customer.
But you know what? I don't blame him. Once there's a birds of the same feathers flock together.
Yeah.
That church rat dares me. You know, he has been telling my girlfriend a whole sort of stuff about me. Tell him to stay off my woman. Because next time this guy wouldn't like me and then he's really going to see the other side of me.
Boss. The problem is Partey, my brother here, we are close. So as for you are saying, we talk to Partey.
Good.
We talk to Partey very, very, very carefully.
Good.
Because I think we are so hungry.
Good.
We are so hungry.
Yeah.
So we talk to Partey for you.
So
don't worry.
Add this to it. Tell him, say, if he refuses this time, whatever happens to him, he shouldn't blame anybody but himself.
No chire gaga ni sheshin na yesem na ntibio de ko froko no wawati ana wo so the wine wo jan wati anya wo so no ba abedi no ni fo de ka ba abeti one the first one what's up abeti sika what to say memory na saying obi atu be no no be mo so mo pe obi ba mo be wasase mo pe mo so ko mo wasem sawati wakasu I've been telling you this every day. I tell you, say you have to take this in your head that customer is always right. As I said, the intro video. Intro. As some of kind of intro video. Intro. Why? Because I said in previous or what are you talking about? And what are you saying, my brother? Walk. Me, you know me say what Partey is doing. I don't support Partey. I support Partey, but the guy is so hungry. Cause the last word that he used, he say, if he don't stay off, anything happen to him, he should break. Partey should blame himself, but not him. My brother, he not go fit do nothing. You hear, my brother? Listen to me. He not go fit do nothing. It be me I tell you, he not go fit do nothing. If he not go fit do nothing, waiting the Partey to do, it be the right thing. Partey no do anything. If he just say Partey for take care of anything, any movement where they do ID. But the nigga no, you not go fit do nothing. You sure? My brother, you not go fit do nothing, my brother. You sure? The way the guy they hungry, if he come and meet Partey here, the thing will change.
because you come to first one. He came to Partey single one, and now he came to us. I don't know what can happen for the third.
Dede, he no go fit do nothing.
Ayo, if you say so.
Yeah, now say. Na say me kase na won say hit na me de kase na season kwa hwe so benya jollof na say bia ma kumtura.
Jollof asebe. Hwe, me din so gumo. Aba wo din so da. See adani mutu say ni obi dia. Dede. Debi o na mo na say no so say me ma wie na me ba hwade me ka me fa so mu. Masa, what Jimmy stupid man. Stupid guy like you. Hey, Masa, to feed you. What's it? A shame. That's the one who you are inside what? I mean, I'm a say, boy, letting you to 29. A see what Confion any will be. A see.
So I bridge memo. Now I'm branding long hours need 2 to 3 jobs. Now per something genuine. Every time you bow more to me at 2 hours. No, so no what's any time for family there. And you know the digital marketing business. Every we a business sir. When you any work experience, you hear no phone or tablets, any internet connection. And no kwana when that's how I sign you to a coach and a mentor. I bet guide you through the process. What status wa? I am one castle business. I was start you. What to me register with the government and what to me sign a jama and chima. Na me so start here. Bibi kakra bi na betua. Na no kra na ma 30 good days. Sefa dream ho, share business model no. Check the community out. Senya bibi a wani je ho a, ye tua se kanyi na ma within the 30 days. Until you have absolutely nothing to lose. Opeso ho ma, my website and our screen is no. Konefa with dinu email address na ko register na share complimentary webinar no. And I say my number na our screen is no. Ne friend me, na me fan for processing. Nyame nka ho. I will see you on the inside.
All my pretty girls in the club, put your hands in the air. Caribbean girl with a body you for bounce for allergy. Put up on no light test up, it's about to get dirty. Mr. DJ put it for rewind, cause I'm feeling already. This song is a bell.